Recording another video, probably the last one of the night, because I've gone all the way on this one. 2 lunar filters plus the aperture reducer, and the planet is still green. You can still see the cloud bands. Actually, you know what's funny? The green planet, green gas giant with cloud bands, this looks like the planet Joule from Kerbal Space Program. Which, if you've ever played Kerbal Space Program, you'll probably agree. Heck yeah, this is Joule. Yeah, I think this is probably overkill for our purposes. I still have to have the ISO set down at 100, the lowest setting I can obtain manually in order to really see any good detail, although you can still see the bands at 2 and maybe even 300. But comparing it with what we've seen before, and as I try to adjust the focus, I think that's about as good as it's going to get. I liked it better with just one lunar filter. You could still see the cloud bands, and the planet was not green. It was more of a gray that every now and then turned green. Which, despite the fact that I really like Kerbal Space Program and would love to imagine that I found Joule in our backyard, this is Jupiter, and last time I checked, Jupiter's not green. So I think the best course of action. Uh-oh, I really lost it. There it is. I think the best course of action is probably to do one lunar filter plus the aperture reducer. Using the Barlow turned extender tube and a short focal length eyepiece, like at least 15 or 16 millimeters, if not shorter. Well, I guess at most 15 or 16 millimeters, if not shorter. So those seem to have given me the best results thus far on both Jupiter and the Moon, which is always spectacular. So I'll keep playing around with it, keep getting some still images, and but hey, we've got something. We've got something with cloud bands, which is what I've been pursuing for the last week, so I'm pretty happy about that. Except for I keep turning the right ascension knob in the wrong direction. Okay, so I'll let this video run up to 3 minutes and play around with the focus and enjoy the show.